2018 Toyota 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, compass, overhead console, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.